Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video we are going to make a DIY facial brightening soap, and I have attached all the processes to making the soap. So I want to put a disclaimer out there. I do not react to any of these ingredients that are in the soap, and also I don't know if they are scientifically proven, but they are working for me. My face loves it, and yeah, up to now I have not had an allergic reaction. So kindly check the ingredients, and if you react to any of them, then you substitute or you remove it altogether. This is my own formulation, guys, and it works for my face perfectly. The goal is to brighten my face because my skin was getting a little bit dull, and I wanted to just make it a little bit brighter. So I hope that you'll enjoy this video, and I hope that you learned something today. Also note that the aloe vera I'm using is the natural aloe vera, but I freeze it to use it in different batches so that it does not get bad. So God bless you as you watch, and yeah, let's come along with me as we make the soap. Thank you guys for watching my video up to this point. I really appreciate it. If you are new, please consider to subscribe, and God bless you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.